At a college or university, you've got to be able to provide a safe entrance and exit for your students, to your faculty, to your staff, to your administrative folks.
My first concern with students are their safety. I want to make sure they have the safest environment, just like you would for your own children at home. You want them to know that floors are going to be dry, not going to be those trips and falls. We had a mat company and we weren't really happy with our service and the quality of the mats that were being placed.
Can we find a substitution for this? There has to be consideration for how you are keeping people safe by keeping that moisture, snow, ice, salt, whatever it is, from coming in the building and creating a slip and fall issue. Grippy Mat has fixed that piece of the puzzle. It's not moving, it's not buckling, and you can buy it in rolls that hits on pretty much everything that we need.
They stay there, they absorb the water, don't have that dangerous slippy area as you're walking in the door. And students aren't moving it.
I don't have to worry about, is that mat going to be in place tomorrow morning? It's always in place.
I love how it stays flat, so there's nothing that you're going to trip over, there's no lip.
The look that we get when they're installed, it's just amazing. It's neat, it's orderly, it's clean. It's easy to put down. We have them located at almost every entrance that we have on campus.
It almost becomes part of the floor, which is great. You really don't need to notice it, it just needs to work. We now feel that we have safe entrances to buildings. All I've heard is positive.
Our marketing department's really excited about the printed mat. What all can we put on this? Can I put the sports schedule on it?
We put it in the locker rooms for the sports teams. They love it. It doesn't hold odor, which is important in a locker room. It's comfortable under your feet, unlike those plastic grates that we had in there, which was not comfortable when you came out of the shower and stepped on it in bare feet.
We've used the antimicrobial mat.
That was very important to us. It's important in a locker room.
Coaches love knowing that there's an antimicrobial flooring for their students to walk on. Swim locker room is a fairly new application. The first night we installed it, we had people stop us and say, oh my gosh, it looks so much nicer. I could never see us going back to the old matting. As we're working through the campus, we're doing away with our old mat because now we're in control. So if we need a long 60-foot rung, we do a custom order and we're able to get that.
We look at this as affordable, easy to replace, easy to clean, reduces dirt being tracked into the building, and provides slip and fall protections. We've got to keep the buildings clean and maintained. Something like this is a small piece of a much larger puzzle, but it's an important piece.
I feel it's one less thing I have to worry about. Grippy Mat is an absolute fit for any university.